Good morning, everybody. Here's our job for this morning. Doing a startup on a dehumidification unit for a pool house. Guys did a good job on the ductwork. All feeds in to the supply there. Got the return right next to it. A little access panel for a compressor and receiver. These line sets though, down and under the unit. And our access panel is in the bathroom to get to the main controls of the unit. Hopefully no issues on the startup. It's a real short line set. We come around the corner to this beauty. Made in Canada, eh? Wonder if tech support speaks French. Company also did these 3 carriers too, but I'm here for this guy.